Hi there, Lisa here, and thank you for joining me for this video featuring the Copic coloring for this little lamb card that I created. If you're interested in seeing the whole process of creating the card, I'll link that above and in the description. But this video is mainly to focus on just coloring the little lamb with Copic markers. It won't include a lot of chatter, but you can at least see the process of me coloring and how this little guy came to life. I stamped this little cutie from the My Little Lamb stamp set from Unity Stamp Company on some Nina Solar White cardstock, and then I used amalgam ink from Gina K because I know that that's going to be Copic friendly, and I did that a couple times to get a nice solid impression of that stamp. And then I just pulled out a bunch of Copic colors that I thought would be kind of boyish and springy and would go really well with the lamb. Sometimes I have a hard time creating kids cards, so I thought this would be a great combo. It could actually be used for a boy or a girl because I personally love the gray, blue, and yellow, and I did as a kid as well, so I think it would be great for you. So anyway, stick around for the process of Copic coloring. I'll include all the Copic colors that I used, and you can kind of watch my process to music. I always love to watch people color, so I hope you enjoy this as well. And here is the final look of this sweet little lamb, Copic colored, and the card that it went with. I'll link that up again in the top of this video and then in the description as well if you want to see how I created that plaid background and put everything together to also stamp on the inside of the card as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the coloring process, and I'll see you again soon for another video. Bye.